Okay guys, welcome to our lesson. On this lesson we're going to be looking at the verb kotaeru, which means to answer or to reply. Okay, so it's a regular verb, so we're just going to be changing the ru entirely for masu, nai, and te. It's very simple. And if you have a look at the kanji, is kotae. Actually, just kotae means answer. Okay, like when we have a test, kotae wa nan desu ka? Now, what's the answer? So you have a column with that you're gonna write down the answers, and in that column, I believe it says kotae. Okay, so kotaeru makes it a verb, and that's what we're gonna be learning today. Okay, so kotaeru, the dictionary form first. For example, shitsumon ni kotaeru, which is the basic sentence to answer a question. Ni is like for a question, but is basically to answer a question. Okay, shitsumon ni kotaete kudasai, answer the following question. Tsugi no shitsumon. So shitsumon ni kotaeru is answer the question. Okay, shitsumon is question. Now, masuke, the polite form is, for example, shoujiki ni kotaemasu. I will answer you honestly. Sincerely, so no shoujiki is sincere, honest. So I will give you an honest answer. For example, okay, じゃあ正直に答えますね. So don't be angry at me, but and then you say it. Okay. So negative form is 答えないね. 答えない. For example, 焦って答えないでください. So again, the negative form でない plus でください it's like don't do blah blah blah. So in this case is don't answer in a hurry. Asette. Aseru means to rush, to hurry. So in this case it's like take your time and read it carefully and then answer to the question. So asette kotae nai de kudasai. Okay, and the last one is the teke, the imperative form. So kotaete. For example, 早く答えて. Answer it quickly, like fast, come on. I'm waiting for your answer. 早く答えて. Okay, and that's it guys. It's the verb kotaeru. I hope you liked it, and I see you on the next video then. Take care, bye bye.